Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhishek Sakare. So today we are going to solve the guess estimate problem, which is very important problem, which can be asked in data analyst interview as a case study problem. Okay. So the problem is that estimate the total number of Realme smartphones sold in India in 1 year. So the problem states that we have to figure out how many smartphones are there of Realme company which are sold in India in one annual year. Okay, so that is the problem statement. So here, first of all, we have to find out how many population is there in our country. So we can assume that in India, the population of India is 1.4 billion, that is 140 crore. After that, after figuring out the population, we have to find out how many population comes under the urban area and how many population come under the rural area. So the next step is that we have to divide those population. So we will estimate that the 40% come under urban area and 60% of the total population comes under rural area. After that, if we find out the percentage, then we get the 560 million and 840 million as our population. Okay. After that, we have to figure out the age group, means in urban area, what is the age group, means we will divide the age group in three parts. First is 1 to 15, 15 to 60, and 16 to uh, last point. Okay, after that, uh, that is 60 plus years. Okay, so age group 0 to 14, we will assume it as a 25% of the total population lies in 0 to 14 year age group, 60% lies in the 15 to 16 year age group, and 15% lies in the 60 plus year age group. So if we calculate the total percentage of it, then 25% of 560 comes at 140, 60% of 560 is 336 million, and 15% of 560 is 84 million. Similarly, we can calculate it for rural area also. Okay. After that, we have to estimate the total smartphone penetration, means out of the total population, how many actually have mobile phones. Okay, so we will have to find out that. After that, for if we say that age group for population 1 to 40, 140 million, there are 20% population have the mobile phone. Okay, so if we calculate this, then 20% of 140 is 28 million. Similarly, if we calculate, assume the 5 to 16, means most of the from these people age group, most of have phones, that's why we are considering 90% have the smartphone ownership. Okay, after that, 60 plus age group, we will consider as a 45 plus smartphone membership, and if we calculate this, then we will get this data. Similarly, we can and if we add this, then total urban smartphone users are 368 million. After that, we can similarly calculate for rural area also, that is 344 million. After that, we have to calculate the repetition rate, means in 1 year, uh, means how frequently a person uh, repeats the phone, means buys new phone. Okay, so if we assume that one smartphone life is average of three years, so in 1 year, 1 by 3. Okay, so total smartphone, that is 720 if we calculate the sum of it. So we have to find in step 6, that is replacement purchases. Okay, yes, assume the average smartphone replaced every year is 3 years. Okay, so we will do 712 by 3, so total 237 million smartphones are buy in each year. Okay, that is the data we have calculated by assumption method. Okay, after that, we have to find also the first time users, means the people who haven't bought the phone before, but they are trying to buy the phone for the first time. So we will calculate for the, assume 2% of the non-user buy first phone. So for non-urban, so we have calculated 560 million, it is this uh, 560. Yes, here urban there are total 560 population, so remaining 368. Yeah, so there are total total number of population is 560, out of which we have calculated that uh, 368 urban users have forced, means 192 people don't have the smartphones, and if we calculate 2% of it, that we will get 4 million people will buy a smartphone for the first time. That is the concept. After that, if we similarly calculate for rural area, then there are total 840 million people who are living in rural area, out of which 345 have already have the smartphone. So if we calculate the remaining, there are total 496 people which don't have any smartphones. So if we calculate the 6% of the rural, uh, 6% non-users will buy the smartphone for the for each year. So out of which how many phones are from Realme company. So this for this we have to calculate the Realme market share. So if we consider that Samsung have 18%, Vivo have this data we have to ask from interviewers. We have to repeatedly ask question for interviewers, so that your chance of getting selected will be increased, because you don't have to be silent and just giving answer. You have to collect data from the interview also. Okay, so that is this data will be given by interviewer also. And so we will consider the Realme shares are 10 to 12%, so we will consider Realme has 11% market share. So that total out of 270 million, we will into 11%, this will give us 29.7. So we will get 30 million Realme smartphones sold annually. So that is the approximate solution of this question. So there is never a accurate solution of this question. Interviewers are always try to watch your thinking process and your thought process. Okay, that is very important in interview. So you have to follow this approach and answer accordingly. Thank you for watching this video.